Hello everyone, how is it going? Today's lesson is classroom objects or classroom supplies. Watch the animation, then answer the questions. How old is Sam? Where is he going to? What is he taking with him?
Hi, I'm Sam. I'm 6. Today I'm going to school. I'm so happy. This is my school bag. There are books, notebooks, and my pencil case. Goodbye. See you at school.
Here are the answers. Sam is 6 years old. Sam is going to school. He is taking his books, notebooks, and pencil case. In this activity, you need to match the pictures with their names, and you can check your answers in the next page. Listen and repeat. In this activity, you're going to listen to the classroom objects and repeat so as to practice your pronunciation. Glue, glue,
Glue.
pencil, pencil,
Pencil.
crayons, crayons,
Crayons.
eraser, eraser,
Eraser.
scissors, scissors,
Scissors.
whiteboard, whiteboard,
Whiteboard.
ruler, ruler,
Ruler.
backpack, backpack,
Backpack.
pen, pen,
Pen.
desk, desk,
Desk.
sharpener, sharpener,
Sharpener.
book, book,
Book.
notebook, notebook,
Notebook.
chair, chair,
Chair.
pencil case, pencil case,
Pencil case.
Task number 2, classify the classroom objects. So what are the objects that you can find in the classroom And what are the objects that you can find in your school bag? Here are the answers. In the classroom, there is desk, chair, whiteboard, school bag. In the school bag, there are books, notebooks, pens, pencils, glue, ruler, and pencil case. What is missing? In this activity, you have to look carefully at this picture, name the objects, and then in the next pictures, in each picture there is something missing, so at least there is one object which is missing. Okay, so click pause, write the missing objects, and then go to the next picture. So the answers of the exercise, what is missing? We have picture 1, glue and school bag are the missing objects. In picture number 2, we have scissors. Picture number 3, eraser and ruler. Picture number 4, pencil and pencil case are the objects missing. Now it's time to practice what you have learned. Ask and answer a partner. What is this? It's A or it's N. For example, what is this? It's a ruler. What is this? It's an eraser. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.